Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the lock screen password on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, if you want to change the lock screen password of your Samsung phone, just open Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on Lock Screen, then enter your current lock screen PIN and tap on Continue. And from here, you will be able to change the lock screen PIN. Now, if you tap on PIN, you can change the current PIN to a different PIN, or you can select any other lock screen password method. For an example, you can select a password or a pattern. Now, I will select the pattern. Now, just create a pattern. Then tap on Continue. Now, just enter your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern and select Confirm. Tap on OK. Now, if you go to the lock screen, as you can see, we have successfully changed the lock screen password on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can change the lock screen password on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.